cake smash sessions because they're so much fun. See the baby's reaction towards the cake, and I love creating new items to, you know, make the decor even prettier. So what I want to do today and show you in this video is how to make a wooden number one. I printed on this paper 2 number ones. I'm gonna give you a close-up later of what they look like. I still have to decide which one I like better. I'm also gonna show you the wooden number one, hopefully it looks awesome, in use during a real cake smash, give you behind the scenes clips, the final images, camera settings, maybe where I place my light during a cake smash session, how I prepare the set, a very quick overview. So I'm gonna go and buy some wood. So here you see the designs I picked. They're like just slightly different. I think I like this one better, but I don't know if it's practical, so this one might be easier. So yeah, I printed them out on like A4 paper, so they are approximately like 21 centimeters tall, 22 centimeters. I think the other one I printed a little bit smaller, so it's like about 19 centimeters tall. Okay, I'm still trying to decide which one it's gonna be, Jamie. So here you see the piece of wood and the number ones. And I'm gonna get some carbon paper to draw the one on the wood. Jamie, which one is it gonna be? I think I wanna go for this one. I like the design. And then, and it fits on the wood. So here we go. Someone's trying to help. Jamie! Okay, so here's the paper. So I'm gonna place it on the wood, like this. And then I'm gonna place the number one on top of it. There we go. So what I'm gonna do first is make some incisions so that the blocks will fall off as I cut. I practiced once on this wood and it went pretty well. So here we go. Okay, so this is it now. And now, of course, it needs to be sanded so it's all smooth. So it can stand up by itself. But of course, the baby can also tip it over. So maybe it's nice to make something in the back, like a little stand. And just glue it on there with some special glue for wood so it doesn't fall over. Actually quite soft, so yeah, the long edges you can do with the machine, and then the little corners and smaller edges maybe with some sanding paper. It doesn't, I mean, make it the way you like it. So if you want it to have like a distressed look or super smooth, go for it. So it's super smooth now. And I think I don't want to place anything behind it yet because it's going to stay up. And now the babies can hold it on the photo. Like when they're sitting on the curved bench, they can hold the one in their hands. I think it's going to be super cute. And because it's so smooth, it's okay for them to hold it. Like it's super, super smooth. It looks like a bird, like a duck. Because it's oak wood, if you don't put anything on it, it can become a little bit more yellow after a while. So I'm going to use a finish, like a transparent finish. Of course, you can also make it a whitewash #1 or a dark wood by using like a dark wood finish or dark brown finish. But I like the wood color with the wooden bench, which also has a transparent finish. So this is the finish. Use it on the #1. So it's like a protective layer that will keep the wood from turning yellow. If you use this particular one, you paint it on the wood and then immediately you kind of wipe it off with a piece of cloth. If you wait too long, it'll dry up and you won't be able to get it off anymore. So don't wait too long. And then just let it dry for a while so that it hardens and it protects the wood. I'm just going to leave it up straight and dry. So today I have a Kicksmith session with the little girl. We're going boho themed, naked cake, beautiful. And today I'm going to use my #1 for the first time in the decor. I'm going to show you the photos, going to show you my light setup, camera settings, just all the cool stuff, and then the decor and everything. So I'm going to set up now and show you. So first of all, I want to cut off some real eucalyptus because that's always pretty for the photos. I have like a eucalyptus plant here. Just gonna cut off. So yeah, the plant is called eucalyptus. I've had it in my home a few times and it died. But now I have it in my greenhouse and it's growing really well, but now winter is starting to come in. Well, it's like autumn. So I don't know if it's gonna survive the autumn, but for now I have fresh eucalyptus, which is cool. Okay, so when I went shopping, I have a video where I go shopping for props and stuff. I bought this beautiful garland. So I want to use this in the back and then hang like some more strings of plants and stuff on it. Because she picked out like something boho looking. So it can be like a macrame wall piece, would be nice. But she picked out more like greener stuff with plants. I can do the circles with the flowers, but she also had some images with just a garland and then some hanging leaves. So I want to go with that. It's too small to reach to both ends. So I have some fishing line and I'm going to put that on the edges so I can attach it to the sides. Fishing line is always a very good thing to have in the studio. Okay, so for this Kicksmith session, because the mom wants it clean and simple and pure, I'm not gonna put in too much. I might add in some like pearl colored balloons. But yeah, I have the real eucalyptus here close to the #1, and I also have some dry flowers. Like these ones, they're really pretty, so I want to put them close to the #1. So here you see the decor now. It's very simple still. It's the new garland, and then I pulled apart the old garland. Well, it was already falling apart anyway. I had it like together with fishing line, but you can still like reconnect it again because it's made up of different parts. So I just added it there, and I think it's quite nice like this. And yeah, and then I have these ones. #1. I think it's really pretty. Yeah, and then I can still put them on the cake as well. Just making sure that the baby doesn't eat part of the decor. Oh yeah, and this is the oak wood bench in the pure natural color. If you want one, send me an email and I'll send you the information. Handmade here in the Netherlands with love. Okay, so I'm going to put the cake on the stand, and then I'm going to show you the second decor I have on the dark wood, because she also liked the floral circles, so I want to use both. Now for the cake, I also have a fondant flower and a fondant #1. The mom can decide what she wants on the cake, of course, but I'm just gonna decorate it for now. And we'll see what she likes. I have the #1. Personally, I wouldn't add the fondant flower, but just like this. So here you can see what it looks like now. The cake, the #1, the little bench, and the backdrop. Then we do some portrait photos here. If the baby's happy, I'm just gonna hang the circles in the back. So here we go. Both setups are ready. So yeah, we're gonna go for this decor and then the dark wood. Then she's gonna get the cake and then the bathtub. In the bathtub, we're not gonna do real water and soap because the girl has a lot of eczema and she will scratch her skin open if she is in real water with soap, and even just real water. So I'm just gonna put like a soft blanket inside the bathtub and then she's just gonna sit in it. I'm gonna show you my light setup. Okay, so today I'm just working with one light setup pretty much. There's already natural daylight coming in from that side of the studio and from this side of the studio, but more from that side now because the sun will go that way, but it's not super sunny outside. It's okay. So my main light source is this Westcott 50-inch square softbox. I like square because you get a square reflection in the baby's eye. I like that. It looks like a window. Windows are usually not round. You can have like a round softbox, just as beautiful probably, but then you have like a round circle in their eyes, also nice. Inside is just a very simple Godox speedlight. It's the V862N and I have it at 1/32. Right now it's on 1/128. As soon as I sync it with my trigger on the camera, it will be on 1/32. And this is the angle where it'll be standing, coming from the side. Same when I take the photos on the dark wood, I'll just pick up my softbox because there's no cables, no power cords. I'll just lift it up and I'll put it right there in the corner. So just one light, no extra lights. But yeah, there is of course daylight coming from that direction. Actually see one of the battery packs of the speedlight. So there's no normal batteries inside. It's like a battery pack and you can just charge it. So that's really cool. The camera I'm using is the Nikon D750 24-70mm lens. And here's the trigger. It's on 1/32. If I put on my second speedlight, I'll have it on 1/64. So if it gets really dark and moody outside and I want to have less shadows in my photos, I can turn on this one as well. It will be pointing towards the ceiling, just as an extra fill light in the decor. But I quite like some shadows and some depth in my photos, so I'll probably just work with that one softbox. finished the cake smash and the girl was adorable and the number one looked so great in the photos. Of course when they hold it, they'll hold it upside down and everywhere, but maybe you have like one good shot of them holding that one. Just place it in the decor. I think it's great. It doesn't fall over easily, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. So now I'm gonna go to school and pick up my kids. So have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Are you gonna make your own? Let me know in the comments. And then hopefully I'll see you in the comments. You see me in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.